So today we'll be looking at the luminosity check, and these things are very important because a lot of photographers, they snap picture in the studio and they cut out the subject and they place the subject on another background. We're going to learn how to match two luminosity together so that when you are doing photo manipulation or image compositing, you can actually get the best results. Okay, so let's get started. Create the solid color. Now the solid color, you are going to use the 100% gray, which is 125, 128, 128, 128 on your red, 128 and 128, or you use the color code. This is 8. You use the color code 80, 80, 80, and you're going to click OK. Now once you do this, change the blending mode to color. Now this is going to give you the correct lightness. I'm going to drag it. Let's select that image and drag it. Now you can see the lightness is different, isn't it? Okay, so now let's match the two lightness together. Now for you to match the two lightness together, because I want this one, this image, to look like this one in luminosity, I'm going to click on this one and add the ones. I'm going to click on this one and add the curve, so you can add the curve to it. Now I'm going to turn this one back on and turn on the check layer back on. Okay, so this is our check layer. I'm going to rename it check layer for luminosity. Okay, hit enter. Now with the curve, I'm going to open up the curve and I'm going to increase this slider. You can see this slider is actually telling you that the details start from this. You can see this little part. Okay, so I'm going to shift this up and now it's going to get there, so it's not still together. I'm going to increase so till the darkest side looks like the dark side and the brightest side looks like the brightest side. I'm going to close it. So let's see, you need to make sure they are looking the same. I'm going to drag it closer to it. Now they are the same. This is for the tutorial. Okay, now we can turn off the check layers and you can see how the two have the same brightness.